Have you ever pondered the significance of accurately identifying valuable medical research papers? In the vast ocean of medical literature, it's like finding a needle in a haystack. However, it's a task of utmost importance as it impacts future medical research and advancements. The challenge here is twofold. Firstly, the sheer volume of medical research papers published each year is staggering. Secondly, not all papers have the same value for future research. Some might be groundbreaking and provide a foundation for future studies, while others might not contribute much to the scientific community. So how do Blackcoffer solve this? A leading tech firm in the USA has found an innovative solution. They've developed a Python script that can sift through the vast amount of text in medical research papers and classify them based on their potential for future research. And what's the criteria for this classification? Well, it's the presence of certain research-related phrases. If these phrases are present in a paper, it's classified as valuable for future research, and if not, it's deemed less valuable. But the solution doesn't stop there. After this annotation process, the classified data is fed into various machine learning and deep learning models for training. Models like BERT-based uncased using TensorFlow, BERT-large, XGBoost classifier, random forest classifier, and logistic regression are used. The model that performs the best becomes the chosen one. In this case, the BERT-based model emerged victorious with a test accuracy of 95%. And what's the final deliverable? An MLDL model trained on classified medical research data, ready to classify other medical research papers. Blackcoffer's solution, though groundbreaking, was not without its challenges. The vast amount of text data from research papers led to space errors in the Colab notebooks. Also, finding the best threshold value that yielded the highest test accuracy was a hurdle. But with some tweaks and adjustments, these challenges were overcome. In conclusion, the task of identifying valuable medical research papers is a daunting one, but not impossible. With the right tools, techniques, and a bit of machine learning magic, it's achievable. This not only streamlines the process, but also paves the way for more efficient and targeted future medical research. The key takeaways are the importance of accurately classifying medical research papers, the innovative solution provided by the tech firm, and the role of machine learning and deep learning in this process. Email us at aj@blackcoffer.com.